Today I am going to show you how to convert percentage to decimals. So we just divide 20 on 100. 20 on 100. So we can simplify it first. We cancel 0 by 0. Then we have 2 over 10. Now we divide 2 on 10. We put a decimal point here and 0 with 20. Now we know that 10 times 2 is 20. So 20 minus 20, answer is 0. So our answer is 0.2. For sake of practice, we take another example. We have 85% and we need to convert it into decimals. So 85% is equal to 85 over 100. So now if we divide 85 on 100, we will get 0.85. So this is our answer. Now we take another example. 2.5%. So 2.5%, 2.5 over 100. So now we divide 2.5 on 100. We put a decimal point and it will become and 0 also. So it will become 250. Now we know that 200 times 2 is equal to 200. So we have 50 left. Now we take away a 0 from the top and 100 times 5 is equal to 500. So our answer is 0.025.